Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaterra Bria'Na. If you came here to see how I customize and lay this wig from beginning to end, make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. I bounce.
Last time I ordered from Eunice, it came in a box, but this time it came in a DHL bag that looks like this. And before I get into it, I got something to say about Eunice. I'm sorry. I love them so far, but this time I ordered curly hair, like deep wave bundles, and it was supposed to be long to my thong, okay? So I got 24 inches, but they kept running out of hair in that length, so I could only get up to 22 inches, and then they had to refund me back my money. That also slowed down the shipping process because they had to like keep redoing my order because they was out of hair, so they need to get that together. Okay, I'm gonna open a bag. Dang, the bag already open. You know what? Y'all getting initial reactions because, well, this is kind of cute. It's like a little baggie, but it's supposed to be like, I guess it's supposed to be. Okay, they definitely did that wrong. This thing to seal the bag is supposed to be on the other side of the bag, but it's on the bundle, so it didn't really work. But this is the bag. They have all their like social media on the bag and whatnot. It's cute. It's cute. Y'all like my nails? Anyways, back to the hair. Every bundle is like individually packaged with its little tag on it, so you know the length and whatnot. So this is the longest length, 22 inches. Oh wow. Okay, so that makes sense. Okay, I take back everything I said about Eunice, because when I ordered this hair, I think I clicked on like, it was 20, 22, 24 with a 16-inch frontal, but instead they just gave me like all 22-inch bundles. I'll probably like layer it in the front because I know how to hook it up. Okay, so it's not gonna look like short and long. It's gonna be. I got this. That's cool because y'all was getting me tight. So they gave me my money back and they gave me all longer inches. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Let me see. I always smell my hair. It smells like the back of a truck. Like, I guess how any hair is supposed to smell after it's been going through shipments all day. But it don't stink. I be seeing some videos where some people say hair smell like fish. It don't smell like none of that stink, okay? It's alright. But, ooh, these curls are nice and defined. The hair is really soft. I'm not gonna run my fingers through and see if I can shut it. Nah, dawg. We live, baby. This don't got no shutter whatsoever. God, yes. I'm ghetto, but anyways. This would look so cute as a phony pony. I'm gonna do this one day because my hair got waves. So I feel like it would look really cute with like a phony pony. Wait on it. Wait on it. That's gonna be the next style. Let me open this frontal. Who's texting me? I also got a free part frontal so I can part it anywhere. It comes pre-plucked, even though I'm gonna pluck it some more. And these curls are really defined and they look just like the curls in the bundles. So yes, and what series is this? It's the I Send You series, the same one as last time. It's lit. I'm ready to construct this wig. Okay, so now that I've opened all the hair, I've showed y'all what the packaging looks like. It's about that time to start customizing. It's lit. So this entire video is going to be like half voiceover, half tutorial type of style. Honestly, it's really all over the fucking place, but just disregard. So right here, I'm showing you guys how I am protecting my mannequin head with a plastic bag, and I'm attaching the frontal onto it so I can bleach my knots. Also, I'm going to show you guys the products that I use. They're the same exact products in my last video, where this section was a little bit more informative. So if you want to click on that video, it will be in the description box below. But yeah, these are all the tools and things that I'll be using. And also guys, please ignore how terrible I sound right now. Like, I literally sound like a 45-year-old man. Like, my voice is so raspy and so deep right now because I'm currently sick in bed. So right here, I'm showing you guys what kind of consistency you should have Oh my god, I'm dying. Once you bleach, what the freak? Once you mix your bleaching developer, it should be super duper thick. Also, make sure that when you're bleaching your knots, you're not pressing down too far onto the hair and the lace, because you will end up bleaching the hairs and you'll have like patches of blonde here and there. I did that a little bit. I'm not sure how, because I'm usually super duper careful, but yeah, just be careful. This is also a new technique I'm doing with it on the mannequin head instead of how I did it last time on the table, and I really like this technique. So if you want to try it at home, go ahead and give it a shot and comment down below how it worked for you. Oh, look at me in the back. Hey, girl. It's like, nah, anyways, this is the frontal after I washed and conditioned it. I also washed off all that bleach and put purple shampoo on my lace. If you don't know what I'm talking about, refer to my last wig tutorial and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But now I'm just putting the frontal onto the mannequin so I can customize it a little bit. I'm going to be tweezing the hairs in the front so it can look way more natural, you know. And I'm just going to try to mimic my own, what is this called? My own hairline or whatever. So when you're when you're plucking your frontals, you want to make sure that you continuously like part hairs and pluck throughout different sections so that the hair looks super duper flawless and it kind of gives like a gradient effect of like thin hair flowing into like the thicker hair. Yeah, but this is what it looks like after I plucked my frontal. It looks super duper natural and I love the way it looks and how it came out. Ow, we finna slay, you feel me? Oh my god, I am deceased. So now I'm showing you guys what kind of cap I'm using so I can sew all the hair onto the wig cap. I got mine from Amazon.com. It was super duper cheap. Also, when you're putting the cap onto the mannequin head, you want to look at the stitching. The closer the stitching is, it means that that part or that side should go towards the back of the mannequin head. So yeah, once you figure that out, you're going to put your frontal on top and you want to pull your frontal a little bit further. I don't know why you're supposed to do this, but it's like one of the golden key steps into making wigs. You're supposed to like pull it forward a little bit more. I'm also using T-pins all throughout this freaking video. They're super duper cheap. Get it from your local beauty supply store. And yeah, now we're just gonna start sewing. When it comes to sewing down your hair, it's super duper self-explanatory. So we're just gonna fast forward and speed this process up. And I'm gonna come back to y'all when I am sewing in the bundles. So when it comes to the way I like to sew my bundles, I like to use the T-pin to keep it in place, and then I wrap the thread around the needle twice, pull it through so it creates a knot, and the bundles will be super duper secure. And then when I end it, I wrap it around like 3 times, pull it, cut it, leaving enough space so I could tie 2 knots, and then I cut off the excess. One thing I've noticed when making wigs is that the flattest wigs are usually sewn with the bundles going straight across. In my opinion, okay? I don't like to sew in the shape of a U anymore. I think that's overrated, over-fucking-rated. You know, I don't do it like that anymore. So this is the way I will be doing it until I find a better method. But yeah, I'm just gonna continuously sew straight across. And my wig turned out to be flat AF, okay? And I'm freaking in love. Now hold on. We're gonna pause the video real quick because I am finna show y'all how I do my braid down in the same video that I'm showing y'all how I construct my wigs. Who y'all know doing that? Who y'all know giving this good quality content? You feel me? Nobody. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, because I'm really doing this daggone thing right now. Alright? So right here is where I have shampoo, condition, and blow dry my hair. This is what it look like. I know I look crazy, but you know, disregard. And I'm finna show y'all how I do my straight backs, okay? My bow wows. You feel me?
Big old freak, big booty, big old tree. Don't make 'em wait for the pussy. Wait for the kitty, big old ski. Ay, like me, what you need, like me, ain't nobody got up on their tip to the toes and roll to the tip like me. Let 'em wear that, ay, yeah. Bad bitch taste like cherry, kiwi, real big touch these double itties. Ice on my neck, be real bitties. Peanut butter inside, bitches. Let 'em wear that, ay, yeah.
We good.
Ay, bad bitch taste like cherry, kiwi, real big titty, double itties.
I can't trust you if you don't like booby, period. So my braid down is completado. I have 8 braids in total, and I just put rubber bands on the end so they don't be going all willy-nilly under this wig. Also, off camera, I went ahead and attached a elastic band onto my wig so my wig stays secure all throughout the day without glue or anything. It was my first time doing this, so I didn't record it, but I got y'all next time because I am that bitch and I did it correctly. Okay, so right here I'm just putting on a wig, really just messing around with it, and I'm just gonna let y'all watch exactly what I did because I really don't know how to explain it. So yeah. Okay, so if y'all think I look crazy because I got all this extra, yeah, my head isn't that big and this frontal was kind of long, so I'm just gonna get my scissors wherever they are, and I'm just gonna cut all this extra off because this is unnecessary. It gotta go. I think it gotta go. Okay, this is too much. So we're gonna get my comb, and I'm going to follow around my ear like so. I'm gonna grab that amount of hair and then I'm gonna put that back. So basically this is the amount that needs to go. That's a lot, but it gotta go because that's exactly where my ear is. But I'm probably gonna leave some hair for like, do I want sideburns? So right here, I just section my hair into 2 sections, and I'm spraying it with a bottle that just has water and conditioner in it so I can moisturize the hair a little bit. I'm also going to section off where I want my baby edges. Where are baby edges? Where I want my baby hairs to be so I can do my edges later. And I'm just going to use a razor comb for that part. Now it's time for me to cut off all of this excess lace, and I'm gonna go in zigzag motions when I'm cutting so it looks more realistic once the lace has been melted into my skin. Also, I just want to say that this wig is magnificent, okay, and this hair is bomb.com. I'll be doing a review on UNICEHAIR really soon, so make sure you're looking out for that. Also, I'm going to be taking my hat comb that I got from Amazon.com for super cheap, and I'm just going to flatten out the top and the back of my hair so it looks more realistic. And I'm just going to do a little bit more customization to it, but this is the last time y'all going to hear my voice, okay, because I'm tired of talking. I need to go take some medicine and take a nap and eat some damn, what's it called, chicken noodle soup. So if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next clip. Are you freaking kidding me? So none of that was recording? Wow. How's not going to record me doing my edges? That's really disrespectful. Like, off no bullshit. That's straight disrespect. damn eye. What are you laughing at?
You.
Come on, don't laugh at me. But this is the hair. I'm loving it. All I did was put water, conditioner, and mousse to get these curls super duper defined. It's like not dry right now, which is why it may look like a little weird in some areas. Like it looks short right here and longer down here because they are different inches. But when it dries, it looks nice and like layered and whatnot. So, you know, wait on it. But I feel like Mamacita, you feel me? I look real cute. I feel spicy. Like that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm almost at 300 subscribers. You know, you feel me? I'm at like 230 or 240 right now, so let's change that. Okay. If you F with me, if you F with this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Wow. Wow.